Okay, we're live. Evening, Julie. Welcome back to Chaka Leb Acholi, segment Mikwan Leb Acholi, on session number 69, reading on Panyikwara. I didn't know there was additional reading on Panyikwara. We have a couple of subclans, Mabakwan Puri, which are Pajaa, Pajaa Palee, Dungo, Dungo. Okay, I'm going to try to read that today on Jacqueline Kang of Cod. And as you see here, my guest for today is Ogeno. My boss, I should say, Ogeno, is joining us today as I try to read tonight. We were supposed to have Chingabichel Woroking, but we have to postpone for today. So I wanted to jump right in and see if I can finish the reading on Panyikwara. I thought I had finished reading on Panyikwara. If Ogeno can stay still and not make so much noise, we can read the remainder. Okay? Say hi. Say hi. Nini. Nini Julie. Nini Julie. Say please subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Chaka Leb Acholi. You can also subscribe to our Facebook page, which is Chaka Leb Acholi as well. I am also on Facebook as Chaka Kang South Sudan. Okay, please make sure to like, comment, share. Yeah, what he said. Okay, comment, engage with the platform on a format tech. I'm just going to jump into the reading and see how well he can do. If he makes too much noise, I will stop. Okay, so regarding Joe Pajaa, what are you turning off? Joe Pajaa tigi dog out Martina Rio, mana ye Pajaa Bura, ge Pajaa Palee. Okay. Now regarding Joe Pajaa Bura, what are you turning on it? What are you turning on it? Dana mi dog out mi Pajaa Bura. Nen chalo gibino ge Madi. Okay. Madi la dit nyingani would, I don't know how to say this name, would nyari aye okelodano mi bura iloba chuli. Okay. Tekwara pachuli wajane jo bura obino ogero gigero kan buchili matie bo manok gidok bo manok gigot iwire. Okay. Kama jo Panyikwara mokene onongo dong tie ye. Ikare ma abero ka pinyo lodir Panyikwara pingo jo bura o abaha gi ilobo Madi. Gino wajo borani gin bene pegi ngeo lokango mo weho jo bura o akwere boko gi Madi. Ento gin ngeo ni jo bura obino bucheli ikin moha apara boro gi piera ngwen wana beach we apara boro gi piera beach jo bura gina ye wihingom mi Pajaa kien gin ma ochako bino gi bot jo Pajaa Palee. Okay. Yeah, you have to behave. If you're gonna be my guest, you have to behave, okay? Yalla. That's enough. Jobura oberedano ma lopu tatual gino marpu poro madongo ento bura pe tongo yat gidi poro pien gin peregi lokila nyo lokila nyo latong bura bene maro neho le chalo diel nyo romo inina mipu pien jo bura peregi lokila Lokila. Why can't I pronounce Lokila? Lokila. Gin yango lebe chili tinte. Gin yango ringole dog bene pe gin tongo choro. Philip oko wala ku la chua mi Pajaa o waje borane jo Pajaa Palee obino la chien ka gino gero chok ibura nyo gi bura chi jo bura pe nyang ni dano mo kene pagi nyang ni dano mo kene o gero chok gi jo Palee o worgi lokila. Okay, manno kan jo Palee o donyo i poropa bura gino nongo jo bura pe otongo yat gi di poro gin bene pe otongo choko mo gi ringo jo Palee man oneno kid man gino tongo yat wako duty. Yeah, you have to behave. You have to behave. Okay, you have to behave. I'm not talking to you. Gin otero gichamo ho. Inge cham. That's probably a big mistake. Okay, inge cham. Jo Palee o dok e kagon megi. Gin otero gi dong cham bo dano matie e kagon. Gi odigo mokene. Jo bura odoro kapu gino nongo yad matie i di poro duju otongo wako. Okay, wachoko bene otero wako. Lokman o maho dok dano mi bura. Inino man jo bura o mere gi pu wagi cham. Inge cham gin bene o dok pajo. Okay, jo Palee ma oporo chawa megi. Jo Palee ma oporo chawa megi gino dok i poro gi nongo bura o pur poro mabe ento gin pori o weko yat i di poro. Gin bene o weko choko gi ringo gi ikom what? Ikom ni what? Nyaga. What is this word? Nganyaya. Nganyaya. What word is that? Palee otongo yat gi di poro gin bene otongo choko gitero. Inge cham jo Palee odok i kagon. Gi odigo mo kene bura. Yeah, I'm reading. Gi odigo mo kene. You can't talk yet. Gi odigo mo kene bura odoro i poro gin bene onongo ya duju otongo. Wachoko otero wako. Lokman otime tiena bich nyabi chiel. Ma weko la chien bura openyo kum gini. Anga ma otongo yat gi di poro mewa kan. Okay? Wan miro neno dano man. Pien dano ma becho chalo man miro okel gin pajo. Ento ginango ma miro watim wek wamak gi dano man. Gimiro maka dano man. Okay. Latin bura chiel dongo bero gi tam mabe. Ka eno waje bot omero merni. Ka wamiro maka dano man. Mommy's loud. Ka wamiro maka dano man. Atamani bibere be ka dana mo kene gi kinwa kan okana idok poro inge tiro tij pu kadong ninga kadano megi obino magin bene tie ka tongo yat gidik poro mier dano ma okani dok poro o wegin otiek tich megi duju kala chien orumgin o mako tegin pajo dano mi bura duju o wego tam pa la choman okay tie nina chiel jo bura ogur kumgi ikarma gin otiko pu gin dong oyera wobe gi cho ma lokero wegin okane dok pu nyo dok poro lotina wobe gi cho ma oyero. You want mommy to stop? Okay. Moyero, okay. Dong okane orumo poro aduno. Mapodi jo bura bene pe odok pajo. Lo diro kaka obero kachiko matek bot lo tina wobe kicho. Moyero ni. Ka dano ma kitgi bejo. Tie ka donyo idi poro. Lo tino bura miero pe wek Lotino miero pe wek Palee onen kum dano ma okana idok poro. Pien ka dano man onen lotino bura giringo wako gi lokila lotino bura owunyo lokman gin bene okero lokman itich. You want mommy to stop now? Yes. I'm talking too much. Kadongani. Kio tieno menu chut jo Palee o chori poro. Gino chako tongo yat kit magin nakajui timo. Kadana mokena kono obero katongo choko gi tero. Lotino bura do oroyo wangi e telum. Gino neno ginango. You want mommy to stop? Okay. Guys, I'll be right back. Give me 1 second. Yeah. Give me 1 second. Yeah. Mommy's gonna stop.